we are back at it. Today we have another folding saw. Today we have the Backridge Tough 8-inch folding saw. It'd be great for camping, pruning, landscaping, survival, hiking, hunting, fishing, and going out with your ATV. So easy cut, wet or dry, or even plastic wood. Or let's try that again. It will be easy to cut wet or dry or even plastic. Okay, it has a coating on the blade for let's just scratch that. It's got a protective coating on it for help prevent rust. Triple cutting razor sharp teeth and a slightly sloped rubbered handle. So anyway, let's go ahead and test it out. We have the same setup we had the last time. Let's go ahead and see what we can do. Okay, let's go ahead and see what we can do with a Backridge Tough folding saw. Wow, that was impressive. That seemed like it almost wanted to cut a little bit smoother than the Holy Man. But we'll figure it out. And you can see it did a nice cool cut, nice and smooth. So anyway, I got more firewood for the outdoor fire pit. Well, that was the Backridge 8-inch folding saw. That seemed to do quite well. I was quite impressed. This is a much lesser saw. All these saws are made in China. If you know of a good folding saw that's made here in the United States, I'd be appreciative if you leave it down in the comments. But that is the Backridge folding saw. I was quite impressed. The handle, I don't know if I mentioned this, is a rubbery substance. Heavy plastic with a rubber grip handle. It does have the locking blade just like the other one. You actually hear that one snap right in. Cool. I really like it. So far, I've tried two. At least one more to go, I believe. Unless if you guys can tell me an American-made one. With that, you guys have a great day. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time.